Well, good afternoon. What a day. I'd like to welcome everyone here this afternoon, early evening, for this ceremonial groundbreaking for the soon-to-be renamed Marshall Aquatic Center. So this is a great day. You know, I was thinking this afternoon, it was our current pool, they started construction of that in 1937. And you know, you think of the community support that they had back then, the vision that they had back then, and you know, we have the same thing today. We have a lot of community support, we have a great plan, it's a great location, and it's going to be a wonderful pool. Here's what's going to happen, is that next week we have the bid opening, and then if everything goes right, and we certainly think it will, there'll be construction that will be started yet this fall and all next year, and it will be a wonderful plan. It's not only the aquatic center, but it will be an attraction not only for this community but for the region. And one of the reasons why this is important is not only for the people, the families in our community that choose to be in our community and stay in our community and contribute to our community, but it's also to those in the region. And we've had great regional support. So there's been a lot of people that have worked on this, and we're so grateful for all of that. This was supported, this was a plan that was planned for years and years and years. And one of the parts of that plan is how is it going to be paid for? And we worked closely with our legislators to get the authorization to go up to a public vote, which of course was held last fall, and that passed by 2-1. But that step in getting the authorization for that vote was really important, and that's when we had great support and great leadership from Senator Gary Dames, who sponsored the legislation and really helped kind of shepherd that legislation through the process. So at this time, I want to introduce and thank Senator Gary Dames.
Well, thank you, Bob, and thank all you folks who are here. This is really a great event for your community, and it's really great to see that when you had the vote on this last fall, it passed so overwhelmingly. And not too many months down the road, you folks will be enjoying that new aquatic center, and it's going to help a lot in your community. And I just want to thank everybody that worked so hard to make this happen. There's a lot that goes on to make these functions happen. A lot goes on in the background, in the back rooms that you don't know about because it's the planning and this and that. So thank everybody for all of that, and hope that when it gets done, it works out very well. It's something not only will be a good part for Marshall, but it'll also be good for the rural area. So thank you very much for all of those that worked so hard to get this done.
Thank you, Senator Dames. Now, as Gary had mentioned, there's a lot of people that worked on this. There is multiple volunteer committees that worked on not only the plan, but also some of the fundraising that has gone on with that. So speaking on behalf of the committees that have worked on this, I'd like to introduce Amanda Schwartz.
Hello. We are so excited to be here with you all today at the future site of the new aquatic park and the permanent home of Sounds of Summer. We wouldn't be standing here today if it wasn't for the support and the long-term vision of our community. We saw an opportunity for a regional facility, and we jumped in to make it happen. A community aquatic park is beneficial in so many ways. It's an attraction to prospective community members, it promotes interaction and connection with children and families, and it promotes a healthy lifestyle. The addition of the splash pad will expand the season, and it'll allow community members more time to utilize the facility. So thank you to everyone who has supported this project so far by donating your time, your input, and your resources. We appreciate all of you, and we hope you continue sharing information on this project so we can ensure the facility is a destination in our region for years to come. So we felt that with the new location in the facility, a new name should come with it as well. The park name was derived from community input via social media, the schools, and general comments from the public. So we are so thankful for all the ideas that were sent into the city for suggestions, and we can't wait to share with you what was chosen. So with that being said, we ask that any children that are here tonight that want to come up and be a part of the reveal to come on up right over here. All right, are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.